Okay, so here we have an existing HDRI map. It might be one of your favorites that you use for product lighting, but you want to take control of it. So load it into HDR Light Studio and let's create a light and change the content to flat and move it over this existing light, and we'll scale that up. And we'll change the blend mode to multiply. Now this light is controlling the brightness of the content underneath it on the HDRI map. So if we change the color, we can change the color of that light. So I'm going to duplicate this light now, and I'm going to move it over the top of this light, change the color, and then we'll duplicate it again, and we'll put it over this light and change the color. So now we've used 3 different HDR Light Studio lights that are now controlling the underlying HDRI map. So that's how you control lights on the HDRI map using multiply blend mode.